Okay, here come the officer. Hey, look at you. Officer ain't got nothing better else to do. You look good today. I can't do that. He gonna think I'm getting smart with him and give me a ticket fresh out his blank notebook. Hold on, officer. Let me wind this. Okay. I can't do that. He might think I'm an Annabelle doll and take me to the psychiatrist. Hold on, let me see. Come, here he come.